Here we are in Catania, the city of the volcano Etna, on a beautiful sunny day. We are in the Onnina neighborhood. Here we go! It is said that Ulysses landed in Sicily in the mythical journey of the Odyssey. Etna, majestic, follows us in this run. Here is the famous promenade of Catania, with the lava cliff, formed by thousands of years of past eruptions, which slopes down to the Ionian Sea. Beautiful sun and Catania people walking. Hello ladies, don't be frightened even if it doesn't seem so. I am a writer and I am telling Sicily by running. Can you give me 3 tips for a traveler who comes to Sicily?
Un giro dell'Etna, innanzitutto del vulcano, poi deve visitare il barocco.
You must take a tour of Etna, visit the Sicilian Baroque, and enjoy your beautiful sea.
Anche se molti non lo sanno, e poi godersi il bellissimo mare che abbiamo e il sole.
And to eat?
Il cibo è spettacolare.
Un piatto.
Mi piace la pasta alla Norma.
Passiamo a Catania.
Pasta alla Norma, obviously. We're in Catania. Splendid tip. Pasta alla Norma is the typical pasta of Catania. Fresh tomato sauce, basil, fried eggplant, and a nice grating of salted ricotta cheese. The name is taken from the famous opera Norma by Vincenzo Bellini, an illustrious son of the city, to which is also dedicated the airport, the municipal villa, and the opera house.
Okay, poof poof pen pen. We resume the run. This is the train station of Catania. What do they sell in this place? This is a place where people like you who sweat and are tired stop and have a drink. It is called the chiosco and you can find it only in Catania.
Il mandarino che si può fare sia rosso o verde.
They sell syrups with seltzer water. The most requested are the syrup with red or green mandarin, called mandarino al limone, and the colpo di legno, that is a fruit drink. How many beautiful palm trees! Sicily is full of palm trees.
You can see the harbor down on the background. We are in November, but it's a very warm day, 25 degrees. This is Sicily. Buongiorno.
Good morning. Are you Sicilian? No, I traveled the world. Like you. This is a bridge and the train goes over it. The black stone, the lava stone of Etna, the stone of Catania. We are in a very popular area of the city where there is the port. All of eastern Sicily, including Catania, was destroyed by the earthquake of 1693 and soon after was rebuilt with many buildings in typical Sicilian Baroque style, a masterpiece of humanity, like this building, Palazzo Biscari, in the heart of the city. This is called the Villa Varaghi, which in Sicilian means yawn. an allusion to the fact that there are many old people who fall asleep in the Sicilian sun of the benches. And under this bridge they play cards. Listen, why is it called Villa Baraghi? Because there are retirees who yawn.
Guarda, quelle pensionate.
Perché ci sbadigliano qua?
Certo.
What are, in your opinion, the qualities of Sicilian?
Lena, i pregi?
I pregi che siamo socievoli, belli, che siamo ancora...
That we are sociable, open-hearted. Is there anyone among you who has made the fruitina?
Se ne fui io. Io se ne fui io.
Me. And where did you take your future wife? To my house. These Sicilians.
A casa.
Ok.
Invece se devo essere distante, allora ce ne avevo una volta.
No.
Here we are in a place sacred to the people of Catania, known throughout the world, the fish market, a Biscaria. There are also fruit vendors, so many prickly pears.
Già stamattina ci sbucciai qualche 40, grazie.
I have a peeled 40, try one.
Catania è la più bella città che c'è.
Catania is the most beautiful city in the world.
Ci sono troppi pub, molti pub, cose, proprio i giovani, tutte zone.
Here we are inside the fish market. The fish of the Mediterranean Sea is famous for its extraordinary variety. There are also delicious little restaurants where they cook excellent fish. Blue fish of the Mediterranean Sea, famous all over the world.
Tipici di qua.
Questi li potete mangiare voi, questi sono mascolini della maglia.
These are masculine alla maglia, Sicilian for mesh anchovies.
Vengono impiegati nella rete e si sanguano a male. Infatti
I start running again. This is an underground river, the Amenano, which flows right here in the fish market, 2 steps away from the sea. Here is Piazza Duomo, the heart of Catania. There is the cathedral dedicated to Sant'Agata, the venerated patron saint of the city. The town hall is above. That obelisk, the famous symbol of Catania, the elephant, liotru in Sicilian. The lava stone, often alternated with limestone, draws a beautiful baroque. Here is Via Etnea, the living room of Catania. Shuri. This is Piazza Università. This is the beautiful Baroque church of the Collegiata. Puff, bend. Here I am in Piazza Stesicoro. Enjoy your ice cream, ma'am. That's the Roman amphitheater down there. Etna's lava has repeatedly submerged the city, and many ancient monuments are underground. Here I am inside Aferolone, another city market. Tailoring since 1926. Let's see. My grandfather made it. This is a craft that you learn when you are a child. There are very few of us left.
Quella Sicilia. E c'è anche la fattoria nostra. Ogni città.
These are pictures of all the historical tailor shops in the world. We are here too. Okay, thanks. I'm back to running. Here I am again, in Vietnam, Savia, since 1897. The most famous Sicilian pastry shop, cannoli, arancini and pizzette. Right in front of Villa Bellini, the park of Catania.
Quando i ragazzi siciliani di Catania non vanno a scuola, se la Marina non vengono qua?
Hey guys, from Catania, when you do not go to school, do you come here? Also, often.
Arancino o la pizzetta di Savia?
Arancino.
Ok, ciao.
Arancino or Savia pizzetta? Arancino.
Okay,
What
sono
a
in
sunshine, guys. Are you from Catania?
Where?
Lithuania.
Latvia.
Are you here for holiday?
Arancino or pizza?
Okay. And arancino or pizzetta? Which one do you prefer?
Pizza.
Pizza.
Pizzetta.
What are your names?
What's your name?
Orte. Diamante.
Oh, okay, it's a very difficult name. So enjoy Sicily. Bye. Thank you.
Here is a resident of Catania training. 2 quick questions. Pros and cons of Sicilians.
La Villa Bellini è un bellissimo posto, Catania è un bellissimo posto. Dimmi un pro e un contro e me ne vado.
We are welcoming, but also too lazy.
Puff, puff, pant, puff, puff, pant. I'm looking forward to finish this run and to have a bath, a swim in the ocean. Oh, which way? Here.
Let's take a look at that gentleman sitting on the bench. Do you know that Sicilians are perhaps the people who sit on benches the most? It's a way to relax and find oneself. You can't do without Sicily because of the climate, the sea and the sun, and the food, of course. This is Corso Italia. There are many beautiful Art Nouveau villas. We are in Piazza Europa. That is a tower of the 1500 that was used to cite the pirates who at that time infested the Mediterranean. Shant of Sea and Son of Sicily. November 6, Sicily. Shows off. Away with everything. 30 seconds before going in.
Okay, 30 seconds before to go in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15, 20, 25. Okay, I'm ready. Sicily, Catania. Thank you. It was a wonderful